Ever wondered how to conquer the daily challenge of dust, dirt, pet hair and crumbs on both hard floors and low-pile carpets? The answer lies in the Eureka Groove Robot Vacuum Cleaner. With its powerful 2000 PA suction power and high-efficiency filter, it's perfect for day-to-day cleaning and maintenance. Imagine a vacuum cleaner you can control in 4 different ways. The Eureka app allows you to schedule and control the robotic vacuum cleaner from anywhere. If you are tech-savvy, Alexa and Google Assistant voice control are at your disposal. For those who prefer offline, a remote or manual control with the on-unit button is readily available. The Eureka Groove Robot Vacuum Cleaner boasts 3 cleaning modes. There's the Auto mode for a comprehensive home clean, the Edge mode for those hard-to-reach corners and under kitchen counters, and the Spot mode for concentrated cleaning around entryways and litter boxes. But what about your precious hard floors, you ask? The anti-scratch brush roll is specially designed to protect them. It uses a combination of specially angled soft bristle brushes and flexible rubber blades to not only protect your floors, but also effectively clean carpets. And if you're worried about transitioning from hard floor to carpet and over door thresholds, don't be. The Groove Gear climbing wheels on this vacuum cleaner possess excellent climbing ability, making the transition a breeze. With a capacity of 0.4 liters, this battery-powered vacuum cleaner operates at a voltage of 14.4 volts and a wattage of 40 watts. So, why not make your daily cleaning routine effortless with the Eureka Groove Robot Vacuum Cleaner? It's time to embrace the future of cleaning. Don't miss out. Order your Eureka Groove Robot Vacuum Cleaner before stocks run out, because a clean home is a happy home.